Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Want to manage your Caixa bank account on your phone? Here's how to install the CaixaBankNow app in just a minute. First, open a Google Play Store on Android or Apple App Store on iPhone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right and use the search bar at the top and search CaixaBankNow. Locate the official app and tap install and wait for the download to finish. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Once installed, tap Open. Log in using your CaixaBank online banking username and password. If you're new, tap Register to create an account. And that's it. Your CaixaBankNow app is ready to use. Check balances, transfer money, and manage your account easily. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.